Congratulations on receiving your Bioness H200 wireless system. Today, we will walk you through the contents of your box and how to set up the device. Within the shipping box, you will find the H200 system box and a small bag containing fitting panels. Go ahead and remove the panels from the bag. When you open the box for the H200, you will see the quick reference card, user's guide, and a few other documents to review at a later time. Now you can see the H200 wireless orthosis, control unit, and boxes containing the charger and additional components. To place the fitting panels on the orthosis, remove the orthosis from the box and pinch the release lever on the extensor wing to open the orthosis all the way. First, take the larger extensor panel and install it by hooking the pointed end on first, then pressing firmly around the edges. Then, take the smaller flexor panel and install it by placing the window edge first and pressing firmly around the edges. Now we can install the wrist strap on the orthosis and the lanyard on the control unit. Remove the white box containing additional components and locate each of these items. To install the wrist strap on the orthosis, hook the metal piece on the plastic loop with the foam side facing down. To install the lanyard on the control unit, feed the small string through the top hole on the control unit, and then feed the lanyard back through the string. The night before you plan to use your device, you will want to charge the orthosis and the control unit. If one of the components is not charged, the entire system will be inoperable until they are charged. Remove the charger from the box and place the appropriate outlet component for your country on the charger. Then, plug in the USB end of the charging cable to the charging block. Next, place the charging cables into the charging ports of the orthosis and control unit. You may then plug the charger into your wall outlet. It is important to protect your charging ports by having the orthosis and control unit lay flat with the wire, without putting excessive force on the charging ports.